Hello everyone, welcome to the Celoxis learning series. In this tutorial, we will see how to edit a report in Celoxis. Let's dive in. First, open your report. In the top right corner, you'll see a pencil icon. Click on this icon to open the report's edit form. Now navigate to the Filters tab here. You can modify existing filters or add new ones. For this tutorial, let's add a workspace filter and set it to marketing. In the same way, you can also add a new column to your report. Go to the Output tab. From here, you can remove a column or add a new one for now. Let's add a planned finish column and group the report by project. For more on filter and output settings, visit the Celoxis knowledge base using the link in the description box below. Now click on the Save button, as you can see that our report is now grouped by project and the new planned finish column has been added. Thanks for watching.